Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to tell you how to do a hard reset on your Tozo A1 Mini wireless earbuds. This is real easy to do, and it can fix a lot of issues like if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or only getting sound out of the right ear, or if your earbuds won't connect or they keep disconnecting, or you're having other kind of glitching issues like that. A hard reset will fix a lot of these things, and it's very easy to do. The first thing you should do is whatever device that you're using them with, you should turn the Bluetooth off and then delete these earbuds from one of the paired devices. And then once you've done that, you can put the earbuds in their case, close the case, and then open the case and take them out as you would to use them, and you'll see the light will blink blue and red on each of them. When the light blinks blue and red on each of them, that's telling you that it's trying to pair. And while it's in that pairing, if you do three quick taps on the back of each of them, 1, 2, 3, three quick taps, this light will turn purple and it will go into its reset mode. Once it's completed its reset, then you can turn Bluetooth back on your device and repair these headphones as a new device.